Alright, I have to break this video up into 2 videos, but I'm gonna try to make it quick. Those 4 down there, 2 of them been rebuilt. The other 2 are newer. Heat exchangers look good. We start here with number 7. Again, anywhere you see a red screw is where I've taken the panel off. Gotta lock this one out, disconnect the gas. 6, locked it out and disconnected the gas. 4, holes in the heat exchanger. Basically all these 1999 I've had to lock out and disconnect the gas, except for this one. Number 5 is still kicking. It's kind of low on refrigerant. Well, this is a newer one. It just needs maintenance. I'm sorry, I spoke too soon. This one is also cooling, kind of, but it does have holes in the heat exchanger. But you can see the visible leak. Take a lot of pictures. Calling this one number 1. Had to do the same thing. This one's got a shorted board, but no power. So I don't know what's going on with it. Yeah, so from front all the way to the back, not looking too good. So you've got 1, 2.5 air conditioners working out of the 7 on this side. You've got 1, 2, 3 air conditioners working there. Let's say 3.5, because that one's halfway low. It's also got a leak. A lot of work to do here. A lot of work.